Now we will talk about another a very useful method. It's called maximum likelihood. 我讲的是不是太快了？你们有问题吧？就前面讲的这些都理解吧？刚才说的 MP 的方法，主要是你用最少的事件去解释它的那个数据。那么用的更多的一个是这个 ML 的方法 ，ML 的方法也很多，在各个方面都用了很多。ML 的方法主要是什么？是要找到一个，首先你要有一个模型，能够计算它的 likelihood， 然后是找到呢这个模型包括它的参数，能够得到最大的 likelihood， 解释你的这个数据的这个自然率的这个模型，那就是你的 ML 的估计值。Okay, so ML can be used in many different research area. So now we give an maybe more interesting example. Okay, so when we throw the dice, so we know you could choose from one of these. So all these are very odd dice. Is not this one is normal. Okay, has 6 faces. Okay, the other one has 8 faces. This one has 12 faces. Okay, it's not common. But say we have these 3 types, and a person rolls 2 dice and obtained a score of 14. So you only know he used 2 of them, and as the score is 14. And the question is, which pair of dice are the most likely have yielded this result? So which 2 he used, where has the the highest likelihood? You see a combination number add up to 14. OK， 这个问题就是说，如果有这3种骰子，对吧？一个是正常，这一个8面，一个是12面的，然后有个人从里面拿了2个，然后扔了一下，得出了一个数据，最后加起来数字是14。然后现在问你呢，他拿到的最可能是哪2个骰子去得出来的这个数据 ？OK， 这里呢，这里这个14 ，so here the 14 is the data you observed. So in our case, is a sequence. Okay, a sequence you get. And this, which 2 we choose is the model. So in our case, for the phylogenetic inference, is the tree, the phylogeny we want to infer. 就是说，这个例子呢，就是在我们如果用在我们这个建树上面，系统发育分析，那么我们这个14呢，就是我们看到的这些序列，我们测到的这些序列。OK， 然后这个问你拿到哪2个骰子，这个就是模型，在我们系统发育分析上，这个模型就是主要的就是说，就是我们要建的这个数。OK， 那这个问题是一样，就是说他拿了14这个数据，然后问你最大可能的是拿到了哪2个骰子。在我们的这个系统发育分析上面，就是说，你得到了这样一组序列的数据，那么你最大可能它的进化过程是什么样的？就是进化模型。这概念是完全一样的，只不过这个比较有意思的例子。那我们看一下，我们怎么样通过这个算出你最大可能是拿到2个，然后它就是按照这个maximum likelihood. Now we can see how we can use the maximum likelihood criteria to infer which 2 dice he used. So first we can find out how many ways of obtaining the score 14. So it could be 6 plus 8. Okay, we could use these 2 pairs. So you could have 5 different combinations. Right? If we use these 2 pairs, it have 5 different combinations. If we use the 6-phase and 8-phase dice, we could have 7 different combinations, which will all add up to 14. All right? Any question of that? Okay. Now we'll find what is the probability of any single outcome for each of these 3 sets of pairs. So because we have one from this 6 and one from this 8. So if you remember from the previous slide, from these 6 face dice, we have to have a number of 6 faced up, right? For 8 face, we have to have number 8 faced up. So the number of 6 is one of these 6 probability. So it's 1 divided by 6. If you have 8 faced up, it's 1 from 8. So you times these two together. So if we use these two pairs, the likelihood is 1 in 48. The probability is 1 in 48. So it is same. If we use these two pairs, the probability is 1 in 72. So that one is 1 in 96. And then we multiply by how many outcome was 14. So times by 1, because only one outcome could be 14. So this time by 5. Okay. And last one, if we use 6 face and 8 face dice, because there's 7 combination, so we times by 7. So this number are the likelihood. So we calculate. And you choose the one with the largest likelihood with this one. So this is our maximum likelihood estimation. So it is, we choose, if the guy choose 6 face and 8 face dice, he has a higher probability than he choose the other one. 就我们根据前面的这个计算，然后得出这些是叫做自然率 ，OK， 就是说如果他选了这两个，他这的话，掷这个骰子的话，他有多大的这个概率得到这个14这个加起来14这个值？那么这些自然率，那我们把这个3种不同的模型的自然率都算出来，然后找出自然率最大的这个，那么这个模型就是我们最大自然率的估计值，明白吧？ 就如果我把这个骰子换成这个系统发育的进化数，然后把这个14换成你的测的序列，那么也是一样，你拿这个序列，然后算出在不同的进化数，进化数有很多不同的进化数它的自然率，然后找到自然率最大的这个，那这个进化数就是我们要估计的最大自然率的估计值。So if we substitute the dice, the model with phylogenetic tree and the data, the 14 with the sequence. We calculate, given the model, the likelihood of given the model for the data, then we find out the maximum likelihood. Then that will be your ML estimation of the tree. 对吧？这么讲大家都应该有理解 ，OK。那我们看一下这个数。Now let's take a look, in context of the phylogeny. So we will need to calculate the likelihood. Okay, which is a probability of the data given the hypothesis, given the model. Okay, so we observe the data given the model. It's the same as that example. So that's observed data given the model. 好吧，就是如果在这个件数上面。 用来建数的话，你也是要计算出它的自然率，就是说，给出每一个不同的数的情况下，得出你观察的这个序列的这个概率是它的自然率，跟前面那个掷骰子的例子是一样的。那我们下节课我们继续会把这个讲完的。OK， 我先把这个，到时候先把这个传到网上，你们可以先看一下。